आइडेंटिफाई एंड मैच, पहचानिए और मिलाइए. डियर चिल्ड्रन, प्यारे बच्चों, नाउ वी लर्न टू मैच द सेम वर्ड्स. अब हम एक जैसे अल्फाज मिलाना सीखते हैं. Here is word dad. Now we search word dad in the second row. Had, mad, bad, dad. Yes, this is dad. So we match both words dad. Here is a word sad. Now we search word sad in the second row. Had, mad, bad, dad, sad. Yes, this is sad. So we match both words sad. Here is word bad. Now we search word bad in the second row. Had, mad, bad, dad, sad, lad, bad. Yes, this is bad. So we match both words bad. Here is word mad. Now we search word mad in the second row. Had, mad. Yes, this is mad. So we match both words mad. Here is word had. Had is the first word in the second row. So we match both words had. Here is word bad. So we search word bad in the second row. Had, mad, bad. Yes, this is bad. So we match both words bad. Here is word lad. Now we search word lad in the second row. Had, mad, bad, dad, sad, lad. Yes, this is lad. So we match both words lad.